So I know a lot of us make this mistake so much. We are all guilty of this mistake. There is nobody that has not done this mistake before. So today, that is why I am here, because I want to tell you the 5 things you need to do before filming your videos. Welcome to Believe George Vlogs, where I share my lifestyle, family content, vlog and tutorial. Please do well to hit the subscribe button on your screen and subscribe. Hello beauty lovers, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Believe. Please do well to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Okay, you are highly welcome. So I'm going to be telling you the 5 things you need to do before filming your videos. I know a lot of us make this mistake so much. We are all guilty of this mistake. There is nobody that has not done this mistake before. So today, that is why I am here, because I want to tell you the 5 things you need to do before filming your videos. Okay, it's not all about you carrying your camera and just start filming. There are some certain things you need to do on your phone before you start filming your video. Number 1 is always clean your phone camera. Oh my god, a lot of us make this mistake so much. A lot of us are just so guilty of this mistake. Always clean your phone camera. Like, don't just carry your phone and you just start recording without cleaning. Like me, I have like an handkerchief that I always use to clean my phone. So clean the camera of your phone, clean it before you start filming. That way your video will not be blurry, your video will not be dark. So many things. After cleaning your camera, you can see that even the quality of your video, the camera quality of your video is just going to be clear. So it is always important we clean our phone camera before filming. Look into your camera. You need to learn how to look straight into your camera. If you don't know where your camera is, I don't know the kind of camera you are using. If you are using a mobile phone or a lens, any type of camera you are using, but if you are using a mobile phone, you can see a small dot on your phone, like the camera on your phone, on the screen. Always look into it. Like as I'm talking now, I'm looking directly into my camera, and it will be as if the people I'm talking to, or you guys that are my audience, are just here. That is because I'm looking direct into my camera. But when I say I want to look at this side, if I'm just looking at this side, you can see I'm looking at this side, then it will just be as if I'm talking to somebody at this direction. So always look into your camera, so you will not be talking and you are looking at another side. A lot of us make this mistake so much, and please try and take note of this. Stop doing this mistake, okay? Stop doing it. Please always put your phone on do not disturb or flight mode. You know why? Always put your phone on flight mode or do not disturb. Anything that will just cause distraction when filming your videos, or do not disturb, or you turn on your notification to avoid distraction when filming your video. Imagine filming and someone just call you, or you receive a notification. It's just going to distract you and you will have to end the video. It's just going to distract you. So always put your phone on do not disturb or flight mode, just to avoid distraction. Learn how to speak up when filming your videos. Oh my god, learn how to speak up, okay? It's very important we learn how to speak up whenever we are filming our videos. Because imagine, okay, like I'm filming this video now and my voice is so low. Even if you edit your videos, even when editing your videos and you try to add up to the volumes of the main video, it's still not going to come up because your voice is still low. You are filming a video and you are talking inside your house. Like, who are the people you are talking to? I'm sorry. So who are the people you are talking to? You are talking to your audience, so you have to be audible so that they can hear you. But you are talking and you are talking as if you are just talking to yourself. Tell me, even me that I'm watching you, I'm just going to skip the video because I'm not hearing what you are saying. So learn how to speak up. Speak up. Let your voice be loud. But when I say loud, let it not be so loud that even your subscribers will run. So learn how to speak up again when filming your video so that your audience can hear you very well. And the 5th thing I had on my list here is make sure you stay in a quiet place to film your video. Make sure your background is quiet. like no noises around. If there is a lot of noises on your background, it's still going to affect you even when editing. There will still be noise. Even when you try to reduce the noise when editing your videos, those noises are still going to come up. So stay in a quiet background where there is no noises. You will not be seeing noises around. You will not be hearing noises around. Stay in a quiet background when filming your videos, okay? And that way you can see that even whatever you are saying in the video is just going to go smoothly. They're just going to go smoothly and everybody is just going to hear you. But when you stay in a noisy background, like let's say you are filming a video in a marketplace and you want to do a sit down video in a marketplace, tell me, how are we going to hear you? You know, market is a very noiseful place. Market is a very noiseful area. So always learn to stay in a quiet place, okay? So that when you film your videos, you will not, even when editing your videos, it will not be too much work for you to stay in a quiet background, stay in a quiet place when filming. Next thing I have here is increase the volume of your phone when filming, okay? When you know, aside from our voice being loud, sometimes you will be filming and the main voice, the main volume of your phone is at 0. Everything you are saying in that video is just going to be it's just going to be a silent it's just going to be on silent. So learn, always increase the volume of your phone. Do not forget this, increase the volume of your phone. So even when you talk, it's still going to come up. But when you are filming and the volume of your video is on 0, oh my god, even if you edit this video and add so much volume, or you add 1000 volume, it's still not going to come up. Or the volume that is going to give you is going to give you maybe the volume that is supposed to give you when filming your video. So always increase the volume of your videos when filming. So that is just all for this video. Please, I hope you take note of everything that I've said in this video today. Try to do them in your next video, okay? Try to make adjustments in your next video, okay? Don't make this mistake again whenever you are filming your videos. It is very, very important. Please look at the way I'm holding my ear. Please take note of these things I just mentioned today. Do not do them again. Do not make this mistake again. If you have been doing this mistake, then this video is for you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I'm going to end this video here. And if you have watched up to this extent and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your bell notification so you get notified whenever we upload a new video, okay? I'm going to end the video here and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. My name is Believe and I sign out. Bye, guys. Bye.